Good afternoon, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Today I wanted to do something that's a little bit fun. We've had videos on this channel about non-fungible tokens, and the real truth is that it's really a fun thing. They're very similar to crypto assets, but we're talking about digital art, we're talking about music. And I wanted to do this video to give people an understanding of why this is such a big deal, and not to look at this as an oversight, because basically what's going to happen is people who used to just dabble and doodle a little bit are going to be able to take advantage of this new capability and possibly make untold amounts of money. Things that you might think have very little intrinsic value might have some value to someone else, and all you've got to do is, you know, make a non-fungible token of that, and you just never know what's going to happen. This is a little doodle that I did, and I'm over here on OpenSea, and I just threw it out there to just see what would happen. I'm going through the process of minting an NFT, a non-fungible token, on OpenSea and see how hard it would be. It wasn't that difficult. Now, of course, the artwork out here on OpenSea, if you were to go out here and look, they've got some really, really serious stuff. People are drawing all kinds of things that you could actually buy out here and purchase. Very sophisticated artwork. But no matter what it is, you know, it's the idea is that now there is a methodology out here where you can basically garner some value from things that you might have just sitting on your hard drive, or maybe you can incentivize the actual creation of these items for games or anything like that. This is going to be bigger than big. It is, I think, going to pretty much uproot the way graphics are basically sold across the board. So I think we're going to start seeing an overhaul of things like iStock Photo and things of that nature. These sites that basically used to sell graphics. Now that there's non-fungible tokens out here, original artwork or things that people want to basically say, hey, this is something different. If you want this for you, they're going to start inscribing it on the blockchain. Something as simple as a little chicken scratch, you know, graphic could actually do something. Just to give you an idea, let's just go over here and look at some. Look at this one. Here's Bored Ape Yacht Club. Okay, they're selling this thing, unit price 99 cents. People have, you know, they're just making all kinds of just crazy artwork. Okay, let's just do some other stuff here. Let's see, Hooligans by. Okay, here's Hooligans by DreamWorks, a little project I've thrown together just to see how hard it actually is. You know, you can come over here and you can literally create a new NFT so easily that it's unbelievable how you could just put something out there and maybe somebody will buy it. It's definitely something you want to check out if you're interested in selling artwork. And I think it has great capability for the people out there who are willing to take the time to learn. Add a new item. Let's go here. Yep. Give it a name. And let's try it again. create. Visit. There you are. Now, to list this, all you'd have to do is go here and say sell. You decide whether you want it to be bid or what you want it to be. Let's do something crazy. I'm going to say Ethereum. I'm going to say 0.5 Ethereum. Okay. And this is for bidding. This is for bundles. I'm just going to say half an Ethereum. I don't know if anybody would actually want to buy that for half an Ethereum. Post a listing. I think it's actually free to post the listing. Okay. So there you are. It is that simple to create a listing. And now all of a sudden, when folks go out here to this marketplace, if they were to actually go to Hooligans, by DreamWorks, I just came up with that. There it is. There we are. There we are. It's that easy. So now you have a new NFT sitting there, and you can take these up and you can put them out there and take them down. You can do whatever you want with them. But if somebody actually wanted to buy that thumbnail, they could actually buy it. It's the first one built by Crypto Big Boss on the blockchain. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.